my reflection is short and sweet. On the main reason why I attended this workshop was to find out who I am and what is the purpose of my life. So as I went through the journey of the 3 days of workshop, so I came to know that I am the coexistence of myself, my mind, and my body. And what is the purpose of my life? It is to ensure the continuity of my happiness and prosperity by having personal transformation within myself, improve the relationship with myself first, then comes my relationship with my students, my family, my colleagues, the society, and the world around. And once I evoke this personal transformation inside me, I can finally move to being of harmony in relationship of other people, the stakeholders. I've always considered myself as an imperfect, useless, stupid, emotional. I always get emotionally hijacked by my emotions, where it makes me overthink a lot of silly things. So now, within these 3 days, I've been enlightened, and I'm happy that I've learned to have the right understanding of myself, and I'll make sure that I align my imagination, whatever negative feelings I have with myself, with my mental acceptance, and I'm glad that it is slowly helping me to break the ice blocks of my assumptions about myself.
Very nice.